What's up guys, Super Geek here. Today we are checking out 5 of the cheapest fidget toys from Amazon. These are around 500 rupees category, and these are not one of those 3D printed one that just shatters just by looking at the shipping box. These are all metal ones, and I haven't opened any of them yet. I just opened that package just to verify the contents, and these are the fidget toys that I bought. So let's check them out one by one. Alright guys, so the first one is this switch type fidget toy. Let's open it and see how it is. The packaging is really minimal, and man, that is shiny. That is shiny as heck. Like, bro, that looks fantastic. Okay, yo, so these are one of those clicky ones. It have magnets, and that is quite satisfying. Here it, guys. Bro, I can do that all day long. So satisfying. All right, let's move on. All right, so this, you must have seen it everywhere because these kind of fidget toys are very popular lately. Bro, there is some weight to it. And at the back you have the skull with spade, king of hearts, and yeah, the build quality looks fantastic. It's all metal. And now the moment of truth. So there are magnets here, and I think at the back of this graphic as well. Let's move on to the next one. So this one is a fidget spinner. Let's open it. All right, shiny. So yeah, this is a fidget toy. Basically, this is a fidget spinner in the shape of a cube. You can, okay, so yeah, this is so cool, and it has some weight to it. It's all metal. You can, this is so cool. See how shiny that is? It already starting to get my fingerprints on it. It's so shiny. This looks great. This is awesome. All right, let's move on. Then I have this bike chain kind of fidget toy. What do they call it? Nothing, it's just fidget toy. So this is how it looks, and all you can do is this. I don't know how to play with this. Like this, I don't know. So I have no idea how to play with this. It's just a satisfying kind of toy. This is the least satisfying one, to be honest, but yeah, it looks really cool. So if you have this in your hands, Your friends definitely going to ask you where did you get it, how it works, what it is actually. Let's move on to the next one and the last one. Alright guys, so now for the last one we have this box. I absolutely have no idea what's in this box. Is because I forgot which of the fidget toys I ordered. You must have seen it in the thumbnail, but it's going to be first for me. So let's see what this is. Okay, so this is one of those slider ones like this one, but it have 3 metal pieces instead of just 2, and it works like this. All right, now this is way more satisfying than that one. Okay, so this is it, and this is one of those slider ones, but instead of sliding sideways it goes vertically, and there are 3 layers instead of 2. So let's see how that is. Boy, that is amazing. That is more satisfying than that. Absolutely more satisfying. Okay, it only goes one way. I tried to do that, didn't work. Bro, listen to that. Bro, that is the loudest fidget toy among these, and this is amazing. Let's see if you can, yeah, you can pull them apart. So there are 8 magnets. There's 3 and this has 8. So I'm going to try that again. Yeah, it has its own satisfying points, but this, guys, this is amazing. This is whole another level of satisfying, guys. This is amazing. Alright guys, so if you want to buy any of these fidget toys, the link are in the description. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys want me to review anything else from Amazon, please let me know in the comments and I'll review that on my channel. And that's it for today guys. Hope you liked the video. Hit the like button, get subscribed, and I'll see you in the next one.